How to apply for homestead exemption in Texas. Watch the video till the end and don't miss any important step. A homestead exemption reduces the taxable value of your home, which lowers your property taxes. To qualify, you must own the home, use it as your primary residence, and have a Texas driver's license with the same address. Next, you need to complete Form 50114. Here is what it looks like. You can find this from your County Appraisal District official website or just Google Texas Homestead Exemption Form 50114. Once you have filled out the form with all the required details submitted to your County Appraisal District, you can mail it in or in many cases apply online directly through their website. If you are unsure how to fill out the form, take your time to read each section carefully and fill it out correctly. Applying is a completely free process and the process only takes a few minutes, but it can save you thousands over time. For example, there is a general exemption of $25,000 and some local exemption can save you even more. Take your time, do your research, and you can handle this yourself. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment and I will get back to you. That's it.